Anybody that has a problem with leather, my question is, can you think of something else we can do with these hides? So there's 300 million plus hides available annually on a global basis to be tanned. Thus far, we found that the best use of these hides is to make leather. And it has turned into one of the most widely applied materials in the world. I think people forget that it has been with us since the dawn of man. And the same thing that it makes a luxury material today, it made it essential for early humans. That it's breathable, that it's durable, that it's long-lasting, that it's strong, that it's soft, that it wears and it lasts. I don't think you can think of another material that's like that. What is not leather? Pineapple leather is not leather. Mushroom leather is not leather. Synthetic leather is not leather. Normally it's something called polyvinyl chloride. It's plastic. The first piece of plastic was invented in 1907 or somewhere around there, and it's still with us today. The term leather is used because it's a name that has cachet and credibility in the marketplace, and we're just calling that out right now because the definition of leather is the skin of an animal that has been tanned. Everything is top grain except a split, so just remember that. So suede is a split, okay? Dog chews for your dog come from a split. 95% of everything we use is top grain. Some of it is full grain, some of it has been buffed and corrected. So my answer is to leave it alone, dust it periodically, but it's less is more approach to cleaning. First of all, leather's a natural insulator. When it's cold, it's going to be in summer. And in the winter, it'll feel warm. And it's breathable. I mean, there's nothing like leather in terms of its breathability and comfort. I have 3 boys. We have leather because we have children, okay? We have leather because we have pets. It is the leather that has survived them, okay? It has evolved in our home. And if I could put leather everywhere in my house, if my wife would let me, I would, okay? But it is, I just share with you that I've been around this for 35 years, and I've seen how it evolves and how it ages and how it patinas. Leather starts off as someone else's trash. The definition of conservation is the prevention of a wasteful use of a resource. 70% of the planet eats meat. It's dying off in some places, but in developing countries and emerging markets, meat is an important protein in our diet. So it's not going away. It's here. The worst thing we could do is not use the hide. The tanners we deal with around the world are responsible citizens. They're good stewards in their environment. They are leaders in their community, and they do the right thing all the time. And I share that with you because those are the partners we have. So I want you to say, just to celebrate leather, celebrate the hide. It is this natural resource that's going to be with us until we stop eating meat. No meat, no leather. Remember that.